morning, students. See, in our previous class we have studied exercise 2C, and today we will start our new topic, types of numbers. First of all, you open your books, page number 32, prime and composite numbers. Write the factors of the numbers given in table 2.3. We find that, see, you have to find this. There is only one number with just one factor, that is 1. See, as you already know that 1 is the number that has only one factor. It has no any other multiple, that you already know that 1 is only the number with just one factor. Okay, now see, second point, there are many numbers with exactly two factors. For example, 2, 3, 5 and 7. These factors are 1 and the number itself. These are called prime numbers. Now see what are prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers means which has factors more than 2. Okay, see, just like 1 has only one factor, that is of itself. If we are writing there 2, then 2 is the multiple of 1 into 2 and 2 into 1. It has two factors. If we are writing there 3, it only has, what is prime number? It has only two factors, not more than 2 and not less than 2. That is 1 into 3 and 3 into 1. If we are writing here 5, 1 into 5 and 5 into 1. If we are writing here 7, 1 into 7 and 7 into 1. So 2, 3, 5 and 7. So many are there, 7, 11, 13, 15 is not there, 17, 19, 23. These all are prime numbers. There are many numbers with more than two factors. These are called composite numbers. Now say, except these numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, except these numbers all has more than two factors. These are called composite numbers. Composite numbers. See, like 4 has 6, 2 into 2, that is 4. 4 into 1, 1 into 4, it has 3, means more than 2, that is composite number. 6 is there, 8, 11, no, 11 is not there, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20. This all has more than two factors. These are called composite numbers. See, this is only the explanation, no need to write in your notebook. It is already given in your book. Now see, let us learn more about prime numbers through the exercise in table 2.4. Follow the steps given here and cross out each composite numbers and as mentioned here. See this table 2.4. This you write in your rough copy, then complete it. See, I have explained you already prime numbers and composite numbers. From this table you have to tick out up to 1 to 100 which are the composite numbers and which are the prime numbers. Okay. Now see, you have to read out the points, steps given here. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, 5, 6. Then you will get the table given below here. Now say, remember some points are given here. Numbers with only two factors, 1 and the number itself, are known as prime numbers, as we have studied here. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Numbers with more than two factors are called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 12, that also I have explained you here. Now 2 is the smallest and the only even prime number. Now say 2 is the only smallest even prime number. Say 2 is even number and also 2 is prime number. So it is the smallest even and prime number that is given here. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. See, 1 is, it is not the prime number, not prime, and not composite number. Okay, understood? What are co-prime numbers? Co-prime numbers. See, two numbers that have only one as a common factor are known as co-prime numbers. Two numbers that have only one as a common factor, which has only one as a common factor. See, in this you have to just remember all prime numbers. All prime numbers are co-prime number and all composite numbers are also co-prime numbers. Okay, no need to learn anything more than this. See, now examples are given here that you have to do yourself. Now see, that is most important thing, even and odd number. I think that already you know this even and odd numbers. See, what are even numbers? Even numbers which are multiples of 2. Which numbers are multiples of 2 are called even numbers? See, the multiple of 2 are called even numbers. Means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, this. What are odd numbers? Now see. Now see, what are odd numbers? The numbers that are not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. Not divisible by 2 are odd numbers. Okay. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, this. Okay. Now see, we'll do some exercise questions. Exercise 2D. See, what is first question is given here. How many prime numbers exist in between 1 and 10, 1 and 20, 20 and 40, 40 and 80, and 80 and 100. See, first question A. In between 1 and 10. How many prime numbers are there in between 1 and 10? C. Answer. We'll do that. C. 2, 3, 5, 7. In between 1 and 10 we have to write, means 4. 4 are there. 4 prime numbers exist in between 1 and 10. See, question number B. 1 and 20. In between 1 and 20. See now, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19. 8 are there. How many are there? 8. Now see 3, see 20 and 40. How many exits in between 20 and 40? 23, 27, 29. No, 29, 27 it is not there. 29, 31, 37 and 40 it is there. 39 it comes in 13 table. 13 3s are 39. Okay. Now see question number D and E, it is your homework. Now just complete filling the blanks. See, filling the blanks you have to complete by yourself. Fill in the boxes with the words even or odd. I will explain you. The sum of two even numbers is always sum of two even numbers. For example, if sum of two even numbers means 2 plus 4, it comes 6. 6 is also even number, so your answer is even. The sum of two odd numbers is always odd numbers, means 3 plus 5. 5 plus 3, that is 8. 8 is also even number. It is also even number. Now see, the sum of an even and an odd number is always the sum of an even number and an odd number. 2 plus 3, that is 5, that is odd number. It is always odd number. The product of two even number is always product of two even number, means 2 into 2, 4. It is also even number. Now see, the product of two odd number is always product of two odd numbers, means 3 multiplied by 5, it is 15. It is always odd number. Now see, the product of an even and an odd number is always product of an even number and an odd number is always even number. Okay. See question number 3, that you have to do yourself. Find out the prime numbers from the following numbers. These all questions you have to do by yourself. 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th. If you have any doubt, I will explain you, but just try to do yourself. Okay. Thank you.